Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you yet again with another instant noodle recipe time. This is the show where I impart to you all the grand knowledge I have about instant noodle cooking that I gained through reviewing close to 3,000 varieties. So today we've got one from Six Fortune. This is their instant noodles with soup base. Very descriptive, not. Yeah, I remember I really liked this, and I've been like kind of trying to find stuff to review that I've already done, or not review, but to do on this show that I've already had, so I can really do anything I want with them. But yeah, thought it would be kind of fun to give this one a retest. Oh wow, I don't remember that. Huh. Anyways, the water is boiling. Here are the noodles. These are, I believe this is from Korea. And if you notice, the noodles are kind of wide. They're made a little different. And I'm guessing that they've decided on their line to do things a little different. So, which is fine. I mean, hey, how are you supposed to have good stuff unless you mess around with it? Then there's a soup base, paste soup base it says, and the instructions mention to throw this in right now, so that's what I'll be doing. Come here. Paste soup base. There we go. And then we have the infamous vegetable soup base, also referred to by numerous companies as the flake sachet, because generally these are pretty, yeah, it's pretty flaky. So here's that. I'll throw it back on the burner. I think it'll be fine. Don't worry. It was off the burner for a second. You're gonna be okay. Since this is my own doing today, I think now would be a decent time to add some mung bean sprouts. Mung bean sprouts are my favorite vegetable in the universe, next to the almighty onion. I really like onions. A lot. My father-in-law also really likes onions. I remember we were down there in Cali, was it last year? I can't remember, but vegetables came up, and I believe he said that onions were his favorite vegetable. I could be wrong, but yeah, we're in severe agreement on that. I love onions. There's so many things you can do with them. They're so enjoyable. Ah, yes, the onion. Alright, so this is coming along nicely. I mean, I could put some tofu in it, but tofu isn't something I would immediately think of putting in this. I'm not exactly 100% sure what flavor it is. I mean, it said it's noodles with a soup base. It's not very descriptive, so it's kind of like I gotta try it and then, okay, it has this flavor. Oh, let's add this to it. That's kind of where I'm at on it. A tasting spoon. All right. Oh, and we are done with cooking noodles. Slide you back up here. Now gaze upon this. This is the oldest bowl that I own. It's one that my mom and sister picked up at Wajimaya down in Seattle. I think it was for my I think it was for Christmas. I don't think it was a birthday present. I think it was a Christmas present. But this bowl is like freaking ancient. Mm. Alright, so let's see what kind of... Wow, this looks kind of interesting. It's... There we go. Yeah, I like the... I mean, this does not scream Korean to me. Let's give it a taste. That's interesting. It's spicy. It's almost like a spicy vegetable variety. Which, honestly, why wouldn't I put tofu puff in this? I'm gonna throw in that. And let's get some tofu puff, because I don't want this stuff to go bad. Oh no. In my last, I do 2 of these recipe times a day. And in my last one, I just realized I didn't put any egg on it. Oh. Bad, bad, bad. I'm very sorry. Yeah, there should have been soft boiled egg in that other one. Let's go crazy. We're going to use 2 tofu puffs, ladies and gentlemen. 2 of them on this mysterious... And I'm going to double check to make sure that it's Korean. For the longest time, I thought it was Canadian. It was gotten Canada. Canada. In Richmond, BC. That's coming together. That's looking rather lovely. Soupy. Soup-tabulous. Alright. Let me grab that packet. Here we go. So it says... Product of Korea right there. I don't know if you can see that, but... Yeah, instant noodles with soup base. Now we know it's an instant noodle with a soup base. And since I didn't use it and I'm not doing any more reviews, well, I'm doing one this weekend. However, it definitely, absolutely will not involve an egg. I mean, it could, but that would be a little weird. Let's slap this on top. Egg. Oh! Ground rule double. Okay. There's our egg, looking all festive. Now, one thing it did show in the picture was this stuff that I got along. The heck was that? Oh, okay. All right. So, it's called red pepper sliced. Sliced, okay? Now, this stuff kind of more flavors things, and also it looks neat. So you just take a little tangle of it out, and you just kind of like so. Now it looks like there's a huge spider on my noodles. And doesn't that up the game a little bit? There's a big spider on my noodles, hanging out. Great. What else can we throw in this thing? How about some sesame seeds? Alright. I'm going with that. That's more than enough junk in there. It looks more like a stew at this point. There's a lot going on here. Let's see what you're seeing. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, what do you think of that? Whoa. Let's see, there's the spiders for you. Yummy spider. All right, well. Oh, I haven't had a bite of the noodle. Let's do that really quick. That's going to be rude of me not to taste the noodle for you. It's kind of flat and broad. I know they have one that's called broad noodle. In fact, I thought this was the one, but actually the one that I'm thinking of, I believe, has like a gingham, like tablecloth motif to it. So, yeah, I loved these noodles when I had them, and these are good. These noodles are absolutely, for an instant, I am very impressed with these. They're quite good. And again with the broth, it's funny. It's just like a vegetable broth kind of thing. Yeah. Definitely down with that. I like that. Question though. The distributor is called Six Fortune. Is this by Six Fortune? Does Six Fortune exist in South Korea? Is this a private label made for Six Fortune by another company? That's where it gets interesting. That's a possibility. I don't think so. I think this is like a small company making stuff just for the States. I really don't. I couldn't tell you. If you know, please contact me and let me know. One thing too that I really would love to know. See how they've got these thin little pepper strands? How are they doing that? And also, I used to go to H Mart and get green onion, scallion, spring onion, you know what I mean. And they had them in like a little to-go box, and they were in thin strands. And I want a machine that'll do that, or a kitchen tool. If you have any idea where I can get that, or know exactly what I'm talking about, I'm dying to get one of those. Because those look really good on a bowl of noodles. The spiralizers will not do it. So if you're thinking, hey, what about the veggie spaghetti or whatever, no, those don't work. Those work on a single blade, and I think what you need is something almost like a pencil sharpener to do this, right? So, well, cool. It's my Friday, and so, yeah. Oh no, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's be different today. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, please subscribe, and please take a look at these other videos. They're fun, enjoyable, and very healthy for you and your children to eat. So if you eat the video itself, you might have some little bits of silicone and electronics parts, but they're really good for you in the end. And you might not want to eat bananas for a week. And don't eat bananas for a month. That can have dire consequences. But, you know, instant noodles are okay. They're good. They're tasty. I like them. Uh-oh. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.